Self-love and self-care affirmations. Everything I seek I find within me. I accept and love myself unconditionally. I decide to give myself the best and appreciate myself more every day. I accept and recognize the divinity in me. I love my body and respect it. I send love and health to every part of my body. I listen to and respect my body and enjoy good health. I accept and love myself as I am while working on my continued development and self-care. I appreciate the work that each part of my body does day after day. Positive affirmations of well-being and health. Each cell in my body vibrates with healthy energy. I enjoy full health and high doses of energy. I choose to enjoy and savor every minute of my day. I enjoy excellent health and life full of energy. Every day I feel healthier. I am aligned with the universe. I am a spirit being who is divinely guided. I have wonderful integral health. I feel strong and full of life. My body works in the best way all the time. My body is healthy, strong, and flexible. Positive affirmations of love and relationships. I only attract trustworthy and positive people. I give and receive love equally. I express my wishes and needs in a clear and assertive way. My relationships are full of respect, understanding, and love. I am a valuable person and I love myself. I have close and healthy ties to my partner. I love unconditionally and without hesitation. Wherever I go, I am accompanied by love. My marriage or relationship is stronger, deeper, and more loving every day. I maintain healthy and full relationships with my partner and friends. My life is wonderful. I love my family and they love me. Affirmations to cultivate a positive mindset. I reach the goals that I set for myself. Every day in everything I do, I am better, better and better. In my life, there is always an abundance of resources. I find happiness and pleasure in the simplest things in life. I can achieve greatness while developing my potential. My potential for success is infinite. Today, all doors open for me. I am creative and full of brilliant ideas. I deserve an abundant life, full of love and happiness. Everything comes into my life with ease, joy, and glory. Wonderful surprises come to me every day. I receive with love and joy the wonderful moments that flow to me constantly. I always have everything I need. I am confident that I am guided to give wonderful and amazing results. Today is a day full of opportunities, and I open my heart to receive them. I thank you for the unlimited flow of good things in my life.